Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on creating an ASP.NET Web API reporting service with the Report Designer component. In this video, we'll see how to create a Web API service for the Report Designer using the new ASP.NET Empty Web Application template. First, open Visual Studio 2019 and click Create a New Project. Select ASP.NET Web Application.NET Framework. And then click Next. Change the application name. And click Create. Select Empty. Check the Web API checkbox. And then click Create. Now, the web application project is created with a default ASP.NET Web template. Now let's install the NuGet packages. Right-click the project or solution in the Solution Explorer tab. And choose Manage NuGet Packages. Search for the bold reports.web NuGet package. And install it. The bold reports.web package is used to build the server-side implementations. The following table provides details about the dependency packages and their usages. The syncfusion.pdf.aspnet package is used for exporting RDL or RDLC reports in PDF format. The syncfusion.docio.aspnet package is used for exporting RDL or RDLC reports in Word format. The syncfusion.xlsio.aspnet package is used for exporting RDL or RDLC reports in Excel format. The syncfusion.presentation.aspnet is used for exporting RDL or RDLC reports in PowerPoint format. The newtonesoft.json package is used to serialize and deserialize data for Report Designer. The dependent packages will be installed automatically on installing the bold reports.web package. Let's add a Web API controller. Right-click the Controllers folder in your project. Select Add. And then select New Item from the context menu. Select Web API Controller class from the listed templates. Name it Report Designer Controller.cs. And then click Add. In the Report Designer Controller, add the following using statement. Inherit the Report Designer Controller interface. And implement the following methods in the Report Designer Controller.cs file. The Report Designer Controller interface contains the required actions and helper methods declaration to process the designer file and data actions. The Post Designer Action method is used to post the request for designer action. The Set Data method is used to write the resource file information and data into a storage location. The Get Data method is used to read the resource file information and data into a storage location. The Upload Report action invokes an action method for posting the file actions. The Get Resource method is used to get the resource for the report. The onInit Report Options method is initialized when the report is about to be processed. The onReport Loaded method is initialized when the report and subreport start loading. The Post Report action invokes an action method for posting the request for report processing. The Report Designer Helper class contains helper methods that help process post or get requests from the Report Designer control, and return the response to the Report Designer control. It has the following methods. The Get Resource method is used to return the report resource for the requested key. The Process Report method is used to process the report request and returns the result that needs to be rendered in the designer control. The Class Report Helper contains helper methods that help process post or get requests for report preview actions and return the response to the report designer. Now let's add routing information. Routing is the process of directing an HTTP request to a controller, and the functionality of this processing is implemented in system.web.routing. The action parameter names the action method on the controller, which is used to map the method in the controller. To include an action name in the URI, open the Web API config.cs file from AppStart folder. And change the route template in the register method. Let's enable cross-origin requests. Browser security prevents the report designer from making requests to your web API service when both run in different domains. To allow access to your web API service from a different domain, we must enable cross-origin requests. Right-click the project in the Solution Explorer tab and choose Manage NuGet Packages. Search for the Microsoft.ASP.NET.WebAPI.Cors NuGet package and install it. Call enable curs in Web API config to add curs services to the register method. To specify the curs policy for the API controller, open the report designer controller.cs file. Add the system.web.http.curs namespace in the report designer controller.cs. Add the enable curs attribute to the controller class. Compile and build the application. You can host this service application on your machine IIS, IIS Express, or Azure and use it for rendering the report designer. Everything required for report processing is ready. Let us create a simple JavaScript application which is already created in the JavaScript video tutorial to test the service in action. I have added the JavaScript video tutorial link in the video description. Now let's set the service URL. For testing purposes, set the service URL to ./API/report-designer. To preview the report designer, build and run the application. You can see the report designer is rendered in the browser. You can start to create stunning professional reports from here by clicking the Save icon and the Save option. The report definition file will be automatically downloaded. In this video, we learned how to create an ASP.NET Web API service for Report Designer component. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.